In today's video, I'd like to share with you my experience on using NAC and Propolis together in a wonderful product. Now, this is not just to promote or sponsor the product. This is mostly my important experience that I had using this, and also the reason why it has helped me get over my chronic respiratory issue that I was having about 2 months ago is because it is a combination of NAC and Propolis, which are amazing for the respiratory health as well. So these two ingredients, when combined together, can really work together to form a potent formula. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of combining NAC and Propolis. We're going to understand the reasons behind their compatibility, as well as identify individuals who should approach this combination with caution, and a couple of side effects that you need to know about. Now, this is a powerful combo. First of all, when used together, NAC and Propolis, it gives you an enhanced antioxidant defense. His role here is to provide antioxidant properties. NAC also helps to replenish glutathione, which is an important cellular antioxidant. Propolis, on the other hand, contains various antioxidants that, when combined with NAC, can fortify the body's defense against oxidative stress. Secondly, these two ingredients are also really important for the respiratory health support. NAC is known for its mucolytic properties, and it aids in breaking down and thinning mucus and supporting respiratory health. Propolis, on the other hand, is important for providing us with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, really helping and complementing the properties found in NAC in maintaining our respiratory wellness. The third benefit when used together is for a wonderful, strong immune system boost. So NAC supports the immune system because it enhances the function of the immune cells, while Propolis contains compounds with immune modulating effects, contributing to a strong immune response. The fifth benefit is its detoxification and support. So NAC plays an important role in detoxification by promoting the synthesis of glutathione, which is a key detoxifying agent, while Propolis, with its bioactive compounds, it actually contributes to overall detoxification processes as well, and detoxifying the body from. The final benefit of these two ingredients when combined together is anti-inflammatory strong action. NAC has wonderful anti-inflammatory effects, assisting in the reduction of inflammation, while Propolis is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and it works synergistically with NAC to address general inflammation in the body. So why are these two working so well together? First of all, NAC replenishes glutathione, while Propolis offers a spectrum of antioxidants. So together, they create a strong antioxidant defense system. Also, NAC's mucolytic properties align with Propolis' antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, so they provide a strong support for the respiratory health. And also, both of the NAC and Propolis contribute to immune system modulation, amplifying the body's ability to ward off infections. And they also are important because NAC has a great role in glutathione synthesis, combined with Propolis' detoxification potential, offers a wonderful holistic approach to supporting the body's detoxification process. So you should be careful when using these two ingredients when they are combined together. First of all, anyone who has allergic reactions, so individuals with known allergies to NAC and Propolis, including bee products as well, should refrain from this combination to prevent allergic reactions. Also, if you have asthma as well, if you have pre-existing chronic respiratory conditions, always consult a healthcare professional before using NAC and Propolis. Thirdly, and most importantly, if you have a blood clotting disorder, or if you are taking a blood thinning medication, you should always talk to your doctor before using them, because Propolis here does have a mild anticoagulant effects. Also, if you're breastfeeding, if you're pregnant, you should consult with your doctor before using them, because there is limited safety data with these two ingredients together.